Hey guys, Popcorn245 here. It is day 32 of the 245 days of popcorn, and today we're going to be talking about why it's so hard to make money doing creative things, and I'm going to be giving away a free year of Discord Nitro to one of our Discord members. Description. So I've been working in the creative field for about 15 years, and 15 years. Yeah, geez.
Oh, geez, Frank. Oh, geez, Rick. Oh, geez, okay.
It is a very tough field to get a start in because often it's a
that you could.
It's a field where it's based on what you have to show, work that you have to show, and so the toughest part is like having a portfolio, having something to show when you don't have the skills yet to really have things to show. It can often feel like any kind of like artistry type thing or design type thing often favors people that already kind of had the skills to begin with or had parents that gave them the skills early on. So there's a little bit of like a leg up and advantage. I tend not to buy in too much to this narrative of like, you know, you don't have the right skill set because you weren't born with it, or you didn't have parents that had it, or you didn't have enough money or finances. Though those can be barriers and they can definitely make it harder for you to accomplish things, they really aren't the end all be all. And so that's part of the reason why I wanted to start this channel, was to help kind of go on a creative journey myself, push myself to the extremes. So doing things like making some kind of money off of my art and animations, or maybe starting a Twitch streaming channel and starting to stream video games since I play with my friends and other people on Discord, or maybe giving away money via Giving with Popcorn and to like help give back to some of the community that helped, you know, give me all these skills. You know, how do you go about that? How do you make that journey to like get creative and get into these kind of fields? Well, one, I think you have to figure out like where you're trying to go, obviously. I've kind of made a transition a couple different times in my career. So it's like those transitions can happen, and throughout the rest of this 245 days of popcorn, I'm going to be pushing myself to the extremes and testing myself in all these different ways. And so I implore you guys to join me on this journey, and hopefully I can help you in some way, because I know it's not easy getting a start in a lot of this stuff, but it's such a wide field. And if you have any interest in drawing or graphics or colors or storytelling, these are all great aspects and skills to have. It's just like a lot of times you need an outlet and a place that will give you a purpose. So hopefully maybe our Discord is a good place to start that journey. So with all that being said, it's time to spin an invisible wheel. Round and round it goes. Who will get Discord Nitro? Nobody knows. It's
Stickman 407.
Well, congratulations.
Stickman 407.
You just won a year of Discord Nitro. I appreciate your support, and I appreciate you giving us some feedback as to keyboard shortcuts that other people can use to be more productive on their computer. So thanks for joining me today, and hopefully you like this new green screen setup and new kind of production stuff. I'll keep pushing this forward in future videos, and let me know what you guys want me to talk about next in Boss for Popcorn. All right, guys, catch you tomorrow. 245 out.